Centering on this three methods rising candle formation with high bullish volume is a useful range that a fib retracement can be based near. The addition of a fib fan and time zone show us what a short-term rebound could look like in a situation where bullish momentum quickly returns. However, if selling continues, even around regular volume levels, a further drop towards the $2 range wouldn't be too unrealistic. In such a case, a bounce following the incline of the next fan line around the next time zone interval would become more likely if price were to approach the $2 area before mid-February. In a way, Roku is similar, except its uptrend appears more stable while bearish activity has been weaker. So attention will be focused on whether price can keep in contact with the 80 boundary, stay on the trajectory of the uptrend lines, and set up for a break to the more significant long-term resistance at 100, rather than staying range-bound and falling down towards the mid-60s. Now, since Pony has been on the market for over a month, trading in a well-defined range, we can begin to make some inferences. Specifically, if moderate to strong selling from record highs continues, look towards the bottom boundary around 12 to form an upswing along the curve of the spiral during the current time zone interval. If this support fails, it would be quite normal to see a drop to the first two extension levels in the mid to low $10 range. Coca-Cola stock could just remain mostly range-bound if volume remains under 17 million. Though if there are at least two consecutive closes under 60, a descending triangle acceleration could be more likely, in which case the 58 to 56 range combined with the next fib arcs could be the basis for a bullish retracement. For Verizon, fib extensions for price and time can be used along with a fib circle to define the next possible bullish retracement. In such a case, resistance would become increasingly stronger nearing the 40 mark. Though if daily selling volume keeps over 25 million, look lower at these levels and fib circles for the next potential bullish retracement areas. For more on the Fibonacci methods used, Verizon and these other charts, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.